and welcome to this video on how to complete a room sweep. Before starting your examination, you're required to complete and record a 360-degree of the room you're in. A room sweep is a recording which shows your full environment. To complete this, you will need to move your camera in the following direction. A turn showing the environment to the left, right, behind and in front of you. A clear view of your desk and the area above your desk. This must be completed to confirm that you are undertaking the examination in a suitable environment, free from distraction and background noise. You do not have any access to unauthorized materials or devices. There is no other person in the room who could assist you, where a reasonable adjustment that permits this is not in place. Your examination result will be rejected if you do not fully complete a 360-degree sweep of the room you are in. Your 360-degree sweep shows evidence that you have access to unauthorized materials or devices. There are any other unauthorized people in the room you are in. The room in which you are undertaking your examination is different to the room you recorded in your 360-degree sweep. You will click Start Video Recording to start recording your room sweep. You'll then be taken to the next page and your room sweep will automatically start recording. You'll then click Stop Video Recording when you have completed the room sweep and review the footage to ensure it meets the NOCN requirements. You will then review this footage. If you are happy, you'll then click on to continue. And that will take you into the instructions page. Thank you for your time.